Hey everyone, it's Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to press the PS button on your controller when you're trying to log into your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are having login problems on your PlayStation 5 and you can't get past the screen where it says press the PS button on your controller, how would you fix it? Well, go ahead and locate your console and hold down the power button for about 10 seconds. So you will hear one beep initially, and then you'll hear like a second beep, and it'll say, preparing to turn off your PlayStation 5. Now, once the PlayStation 5 is turned off, let's go ahead and just simply unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. So just wait until the light bar turns off, and then you should be good to unplug it. So my light bar is now off. Let's unplug it and then just wait that 30 seconds to a minute. Then go ahead and plug it back in. Just like this. Then locate your controller and you should be able to turn on your console with your controller now. And then this will completely bypass the PS button screen. So I just pressed the PlayStation button, heard the beep. My console is now turning on. And it's going to go straight to the login screen now. And if we have automatic login, it should log us into that profile. We won't see any of the users then. So for me, I am going to have to choose a user before I can log in, just like this. Now, if you're still encountering this issue, I suggest going up to settings and then going down to system and then go over to power saving and features available in rest mode. And you can try turning off the power to the USB ports and see if that fixes your problem as well. Only thing about this is you won't be able to charge your controller directly to the console. So you could try maybe going to 3 hours, and then this will simply charge your controller for only 3 hours from the USB ports. But this should also keep your console a little bit quieter where it's not consuming power all the time. So go ahead and check out that setting as well. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.